Just use the two. Like that soap, it is with this lotion, guys, trust me, you will love your skin. Like your skin will just be glowing and all of that. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl here, Mama K. As always, you're welcome back to another exciting video. If this is your first time here, my name is Blessing. Welcome to this channel, and to you my return subscriber, thank you so much for the love and the support. This girl is grateful. So guys, just like the title of this video, I'll be talking about extra whitening lotion. Are you looking for a lotion that is going to make you glow? You know, it will just give you that glow, that shine, you know, no bleaching and all of that. Then this video is for you. Just grab anything, your popcorn, your wine, anything, guys. Let's dive right into this video.
Tell me what you see in me.
So guys, we'll be talking about the extra whitening lotion. Just as we all know, extract is originally made in the Philippines. There is no fake extract though. I am still saying this, there is no fake extract. There is just the one made in Nigeria and the one made in Philippines. So guys, you can actually go for anyone and it's very good for the skin. Me personally, I've not used it, but I've had, you know, close people that have used it. And guys, I can tell you that extra whitening lotion with the soap is a bomb. It's a bomb, guys. Like, trust me, you will love your skin. And one good thing about extra whitening lotion is that it can be used for all skin types. So please, the misconception that it's for only the fair people, no. Extra whitening lotion can also be used by a dark skin person. Like I said in my previous video, I actually love extract products on dark skin people because it will just give you this shine, it will give you this glow. And so yes guys, that is the number one thing I love this extra lotion for. It is good for all skin types, whether you are dark, you are melanin, you are fair, you know, that you are caramel, that chocolate skin. It is good for you. That thing I love about extra whitening lotion is that it contains an SPF 10. I know guys, you'll be asking me what is an SPF. An SPF is a sun protection factor. Guys, if you are using any cream or any soap, it does not have SPF, because just go and change it, because if you expose yourself to the sun very well, you will get a sun damage. The sun will damage your skin. If you are not using sunscreen, it's going to damage your skin. That is why this extract is actually very good, because it contains an SPF 10. I know this SPF 10 is not enough for the body. Like guys, if you are the one that exposes yourself to the sun often, it is not enough. You need a sunscreen. But yeah, if you are the person that you don't really expose yourself to the sun and all of that, then trust me, extract lotion, it is perfect for you. That is why I really love this extract lotion. And with me here, I have an extra lotion. Guys, just like I said in the review I made about extra soap, I talked about the differences. And with me here, this is the one made in Nigeria, because it has an Arabic writing. Like guys, if you've not seen that video, please go check it, because I said lots of things about extract, how to know the differences and all of that. So guys, this is what extract says. It has a long lasting scent, and guys, it's very, very true, and a non-greasy feel. And also it contains papaya calamansi. Just like I said, papaya is made to whiten your skin and calamansi is made to lighten dark spots. So guys, this cream is perfect. Like if you have dark spots, pimples, hyperpigmentation, you just have things on your face and all of that, this one, it is perfect for you with the soap. Trust me guys, it's going to work for you. And the next thing, it contains antioxidants, vitamin C and vitamin B3, see-through white formula. Guys, this cream is loaded. Like it contains vitamin C, it contains vitamin B3, see-through white formula. Trust me, if you feed your skin with all of this, you are good to go. It also says reveal your naturally radiant and silky smooth skin with extract. It is infused with papaya extract known to effectively whiten skin and calamansi extract known to lighten stubborn dark spots. Guys, just like I said, papaya is different from calamansi. Papaya is made to lighten your skin and calamansi, you know, to lighten dark spots. The next thing it says, it has an SPF 10 that helps protect skin from darkening and sun damage. Like guys, SPF 10 is very, very good. If you are using a lotion that does not have an SPF 10, then guys, trust me, you are in long thing, because once you expose yourself to the sun without a sunscreen, your skin will get darkened. You know, you get sunburn and all of that. And the next thing it says, it nourishes skin with vitamin C and B3 plus antioxidants for a healthy, youthful and glowing skin. Guys, trust me, this lotion, it is perfect for you with the soap. Once you are using the both combination, it's going to give you that healthy, youthful and radiant skin. So the next thing it says, apply generously all over hands and body after bathing. Use daily and as often as needed. For best results, use daily with extract whitening herbal soap, papaya calamansi. Guys, just like I said, if you need best result, just use the two. Like that soap, it is with this lotion. Guys, trust me, you will love your skin. Like your skin will just be glowing and all of that. There's also a warning here which says not to be used for children under 3 years of age. Do not stay too long under the sun, even while using a sunscreen product. If irritation persists, discontinue use and consult a physician. So guys, like that video I made, if you've not seen it, that video I talked about, you know, an ingredient that is used in extract, you know, the AHA, the alpha hydroxide acid. Please, if you've not seen that video, just do it by checking that video, because you will learn a lot. So extract is even trying to tell us that even if you use sunscreen, you know, you are using the SPF 10 and you still use sunscreen, do not expose yourself too much to the sun because of that AHA. Guys, I will not want to dwell much on that. Please do it by checking that video if you haven't checked the video. So yes guys, if you want to, you know, get the best of extract, guys, trust me, if you want to get the best, there's this thing I do, because you know I don't really have an exfoliating scrub yet, just on my face. I just got this exfoliating sponge. You know what you do, you try to exfoliate your skin at least 3 times in a week. Guys, trust me, if you do all of this, you will glow. You as in, your skin will be so shining, because what exfoliation does, it tends to remove dead skin cells from the body, and once that is out, if you are using the soap and the cream, trust me guys, it's going to work perfect for you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Please drop your lovely comment. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Because smash that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload any video. I'll see you in our next one. Bye.